thank you for joining us. I'm Dr. Logan Minter, and I'm a faculty member here at the Department of Natural Sciences at Shawnee State University, where I teach most of our botany or plant science courses. A few years ago, we revised our curriculum in plant science and created a new minor in botany. And since that time, we've recognized students who have really gone above and beyond in learning about plants through their classes and through their research projects. And keeping in tradition, it seems, the students who have received this award so far have actually been students who did not necessarily start off on a path of studying botany through their college career at Shawnee State. And that holds true this year as well, as our recipient is Miss Brianna Combs. Brianna started out as a biology major here at Shawnee State, but primarily focusing in the biomedical realm, thinking about going into biomedical research, but along the way explored and realized that she really loved plants. And since that time has taken quite a few of our botany courses. She's completed the dendrology course to study about trees, the practical horticulture course, which explores all the different ways humans grow plants for particular purposes. She's taken our economic botany course, which really studies the value of plants that humans have and all different kinds of aspects of life. Our spring floral taxonomy course to understand the classification and identification of spring blooming wildflowers across our region and throughout other parts of the world. And our plant anatomy and physiology class, which really gets into the nuts and bolts of really how plants are put together and work and function as a vital part of the biosphere. Now, in addition to courses, Brianna has also conducted undergraduate research involving plants. She and some colleagues recently completed a survey of all the woody plants, the trees and shrubs of Green Lawn Cemetery, which included censusing, geolocating, and finding out information about these trees, and then developing it into a way to help share with the public, so educating the rest of the world about trees. Brianna has also been heavily involved in a number of outreach efforts here at Shawnee State involving plants in our greenhouse, as well as our Arbor Day celebration. She actually serves as one of our student representatives on the Campus Tree Care Committee to help maintain our status as a Tree Campus USA. And so I have a few images here of Brianna in some of our classes and also doing her research involving plants. So here she is actually in the practical horticulture class tapping a maple tree. Last spring we decided that we were going to tap maple trees on campus to produce maple syrup. It was actually Brianna's idea to do this, and she jumped into it with very gung-ho and collecting the sap every day. And we were able to actually make syrup from our trees right on campus. It was quite a bit of fun. Here's Brianna with a colleague planting trees for Arbor Day celebration, even her forest sweatshirt. And this is kind of the typical Brianna pose. We oftentimes find her in the forest, wrapped around, with her arms wrapped around a tree, hugging it. This is a large black walnut in the Green Lawn Cemetery. And here she is trying to disappear inside of a giant hollow beech in a nearby nature reserve. Photographing skunk cabbage, one of our earliest blooming wildflowers here in southern Ohio. And she'll even go to great lengths to cross all kinds of terrain, streams, and you name it, to explore plants as well as other aspects of nature in our world. Not a whole lot deters Brianna when it comes to this kind of thing. Here we are climbing along some cliffs, actually looking for plant fossils, hiding in a log jam, and of course, once again, hugging a tree. Beyond Shawnee State, Brianna has already worked for the U.S. Department of Agriculture in helping protect our forests from the invasive gypsy moth pest. And there is no doubt that an outstanding future lies ahead for her in the study of plants in our world. Congratulations to Brianna for the 2021 Botany Minor Student of the Year.